This screencast is the third in a series on debugging in Matlab. In this screencast, I'm going to discuss understanding the stack for functions within functions during debugging and using the step in and step out commands. Let's get started. This screencast uses the demo vector code that we have been working on in the previous lessons. I'm going to insert a breakpoint here at line 15. I'm going to show you about the step in and step out buttons. So let's run the code. You can see the step in and step out now appear. Notice my breakpoint is right before the function call. If I choose to step, I'll step to the function call. Now if I choose step again, I will actually execute the entire function call, and the code will advance to the next step after the function call. That might not be what I want to do. Let me start this again, and I'll show you how to step into the function. I'm going to quit debugging, and I'm going to start run again. I will choose step, and now as the user I recognize that this is a function call, and I choose step in. When I click step in, it will advance me to the first line in the function. Now that I'm stopped within a function, note the drop-down box with the function call stack. This drop-down contains a list called the function stack. The stack monitors a sequence of functions that pass information to each other. Notice the point where I'm stopped is within the function calc_b. This function is called from within the main function demo vector. The stack creates a breadcrumb trail that I can use to help me debug. I can use the drop-down box to select demo vector, and I can see where I came from. I can hover over variables in either function while I'm stopped. Within the function, I can use step. If I want to finish the rest of the function without stopping, I can choose step out. It will execute the rest of the function and then stop at the line afterwards. The debugger tools can be executed more quickly by using keystrokes. If you hover over them, you can see the hints for the keystrokes, and you'll learn these and become quite proficient. The code is basically done. Let me click continue. If you look at the command window, you can see that B and B manual are still different because BDiff is coming out as 8.36. So I still have an error. The error must be in my manual calculation, so let me look at that carefully. The dot product should sum the term-by-term multiplication of two vectors. You can see this is for term 1, and you can see here I've made a mistake in the subscript, and I can fix that quickly. Let me dock the windows. And I can press run now that I feel confident, or F5, and I've debugged the code. The difference is now 0.